Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel and another video. As always, if you are new, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and don't forget to ring that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. New parts are starting to roll in. Now, majority of them are cosmetic stuff, like a cup holder. I'm waiting for the center console to come in before we do an installation video on that, and then I'll throw those in. I just don't want to scratch them up. I want everything to look new all at once. This is an SMG trim piece. I don't even know why I ordered this because we're going to do a manual swap on this, but the one in there scratched up and I can't stand looking at it. So we'll throw that in for now. And once we do the manual swap, we'll swap that out too. I have angel eyes here. We're going to do an installation video on that. I have new smoked side markers that we're going to put on as well to replace the old wannabe clear, actually yellow, yellowing side markers. I also ordered some new fins, flat black. But that's why you guys should hit that notification bell so you don't miss all these videos that we're going to be doing to this E46. So I was searching all over the internet for a diffuser and it came down to a few different ones. There wasn't much of a selection on them. So I hit up Turner Motorsports. I saw this in-house designed one that they fabricate right in-house, and I like it. It's different. And let me show you what I mean. So this Turner Motorsport diffuser has this additional lip here, which I didn't see too many other ones designed like this. I mean, this one is absolutely different, and I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
A lot of the ones that I saw, imagine this lip is in here. This is all one piece, like this just extends. They all had this lip here, this here, and different options. You can get this in carbon fiber. You can get it all ABS. You can get this painted this side to match the same color as the car. So just this pops out, which that's a nice look too, but I like something different. Let me get a little close up here. Go around so you guys can see the whole deal here. And they do offer this in both ABS and carbon fiber. I'll put a link in the description below for both options. Now, obviously the ABS one is significantly cheaper, but hey, if you can do the carbon fiber, I would definitely do that. Oh, perfect. Evan's here. He can take over videotaping and get to this installation. I just said videotaping. I just proved my age. We don't videotape anymore. We're on phones. Video recording, videography. There you go. What do you think of this new diffuser? You like it?
Yeah.
This process should be a lot easier. Remember when we did the diffuser on the 5 Series, you had to take the whole bumper cover off to install that. This one on the E46.
I don't think we did a video on that.
We didn't do a video on it, but we did do a diffuser. Before we started the YouTube channel, we put a diffuser on it. And at that point, we're like, let's start a YouTube channel. But this one here on the E46, it's just tabs on the top part, and at the bottom they're just push pins along the bottom. As soon as you pop them off, this will go right in. So the only thing you're going to need for this installation is this and some lighting. Evan's setting up the lighting so you can get a nice crystal clear bright view on the installation. All right, let's get to it. Don't pay attention to any of this mess going on. The car is going in a couple weeks for the whole bumper to get resprayed. So once that gets done, oh, and a new sensor, that thing is all scratched up. They ordered one of those. The bumper's getting resprayed, and I got 2 new rockers, one for each side, getting installed because they're a little scuffed up. I think one of them's cracked. So we're going to replace those as well. All right, let's get down in here. So this one's already down a little bit. How many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push pins. That's it, guys. I got rocks coming out. This one I don't need to do really because the top, there's an arm inside that attaches the diffuser to the actual bumper, and that came loose. So I'm gonna do this just so you guys know which one. Look, rocks coming out. They must have kicked up a lot of rocks. We bought this car about 2 weeks ago, so still in the beginning stages. Once we get this off, I'll see what's going on behind the diffuser. Why it's not attached to the bumper. Another rock. Another rock. Another rock. Wow. Oh my God. Did you see that? Holy crap.
Oh, there's more right here.
Look at that.
Are you hiding rocks?
Look at that mess. Yank on it. It's just tabs. There we go.
Oh my. Look at all these rocks.
So the new one comes with 4 holes for the push pins. One on each side, one there, and then 2 in the middle, and obviously one on the other end. Line up the slots. Wow. That fitment is exact.
I just gotta clip it in.
Holy crap, yeah, just put the push pins back in. That is a nice fitment. Nice job, Turner. So the problem we're having is it's so close here to the hole, and this is cut different, you know, than the OEM one, obviously. So we cut the base of the push pin, and I'm gonna cut this a little shorter too, just to make the clearance so you can actually push this in. I'm just cutting like an 1/8 of an inch off. And then it should be able to go in.
Down in.
I gotta cut a little bit more off. So let's just say 1/4 of an inch cut off. Got it. Oh yeah, I like it. Once the bumper's painted, it's gonna look really good. That fitment is on point. And it's just that easy, guys. If you're interested in the Turner Motorsports diffuser, I'll put a link down in the description to both the ABS and the carbon fiber one. That'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and hey, don't forget to ring that bell for notifications. Just do it. And while you're at it, watch one of these videos over here. We'll see you in the next one.